Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to write a Python program to check if two strings are anagram using three methods. An anagram in Python is a pair of strings that have the same characters but in a different order. It involves rearranging the letters of one string to form the other. Consider the words listen and silent. Both words contain the same characters, L-I-S-T-E-N, but in different orders. By rearranging the letters of one word, we can form the other. This makes listen and silent an example of an anagram pair. It also applied to numbers. User must enter both the strings and store them in separate variables. The characters of both the strings are sorted into separate lists. They are then checked whether they are equal or not using an if statement. If they are equal, they are anagrams as the characters are simply jumbled in anagrams. If they aren't equal, the strings aren't anagrams. The final result is printed. In this program, the isAnagram function takes two strings str1 and str2 as input. It creates counter objects, counter1 and counter2 for both strings. The counter function counts the occurrence of each character in the string. Then, the function compares the counters using the is=to operator and returns true if they are equal, indicating that the strings are anagrams. Otherwise, it returns false. In this program, the isAnagram function takes two strings str1 and str2 as input. It first checks the base cases, if the lengths of the strings are not equal or if the length is 1. It compares the strings directly. For the recursive case, it iterates through each character in str1 and checks if it is present in str2. If a match is found, it removes the character from both strings and recursively checks if the remaining characters can form an anagram. If any recursive call returns true, the function returns true. If no match is found or no recursive call returns true, the function returns false.